Alisha Richard, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a place for business owners, content creators, and coaches who are looking to elevate their brand by way of short form video. In today's video, I will be doing a quick tutorial to show you how to elevate your videos by way of using Capcut. If you don't want to miss out on any more tutorials like this, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and weekly videos just for you. So hang on out with me for a few minutes as we go through some Capcut tutorials. Hop right on in to the tutorial. I am actually using my iPad so that you could see my markings, like the little mouse there that is in the inside. So we are going to go ahead and hop right on in, and I'm going to show you how to record and edit and upload your videos using Capcut. Right here, you are going to select on a new project. Once you select on a new project, different videos are actually going to come up. So I want you to select whatever video that you want to edit. Right now, I am just going to select like one of my rough videos so that you all could see. And I am also going to turn the volume down so that the volume will not distract us as we
Hello. I'm Alisha Richard, and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Add. And once you add the video, it is going to take time to actually upload the video. All right, so again, I am on my iPad, so some of the way that it looks is going to look slightly different. However, you could see where I am scrolling with the little circle that is on the screen. So the first thing that I am going to do so that my video is not a distraction is first to adjust the volume. So let me adjust the volume and bring it all the way down so that you all can see. The next thing, we are going to begin with our edits. Now, when you first upload your videos, there is a thing that is called split. So you would just select on your videos. Then as the video is highlighted right here on the bottom, you would select split. Now, you could decide where you want to split your videos at. So right now, I want to make sure that I come right to the top. Then you select the video. Then you hit right here, split. So it is actually going to split your entire video. You can move over again, and then you could hit split again. So normally I would split my videos several different times. Make sure that you can subscribe, and I'll show you how to really do this effectively. But right now we are literally doing it. I'm sorry, it zoomed out. All right, so you would zoom over some more, and then you would hit split. So that's how you actually split your videos. Now, say for instance, after you finish splitting your videos, that you want to add a transition. So you would click on the white button that is right here with the arrow through it. You would click on that part of the video. Hold on a second. Click on that part, and then you would want to add a transition. Now, as you see below, there are different types of transitions that you could add within your videos. So either you could add where your video, and let me just increase myself. Okay. You could actually do where it is a trending effect and play around, or a moving effect, an overlay, a blur. So play around with some of the transitions that actually correlate with your brand and what you actually want to do. So I am just going to literally just randomly pick a basic transition, and then we are going to just let it go from left to right, and then you could just hit the check button there. So here is how the video will transition from one place to the next. And there is a transition, okay? The next time, if you want to do a transition again, just click right here on the white part, and then it'll show you if you want to do maybe a mass transition or let's see how it comes up. I hope it's not. Okay, so we'll do a blurred transition, and then we'll just select here. Maybe you want to do pro, and then that is where you would hit that check button again. And then now you have 2 transitions within your video. So this one is transition number 1, and the video will play again, and this is transition number 2, which is a blur. The next thing I want to show you is how to actually change the color. Now, in order for you to actually keep a viewer's attention, I would highly suggest for you to click on your video here, and then it is actually going to, let's click back to the arrow so it'll bring us back to the beginning. So we are going to add an effect. Now, the different effects that you could do are different video effects that are here. You could either do a selfie effect, the superpowers effect. I want you to, hold on, let me make sure that I have the right one. Okay, so we are at the video effects, right? Okay, so the video effects, you could add whatever video effects that you want within your video. If you want stars playing within your video, we'll just select the first one so that you could see how that effect is. As you can see there, it changes the video. So then you would hit the check sign here, and then we are going to zoom in just a little bit. The way you want to zoom in is take your index finger and your middle finger and just zoom it out so that you can see more of your clip. So I want to have the sparkling effect. If you want to have the sparkling effect, you click on it, highlight it, and you adjust it to where you want your highlighted part to be. Now, sometimes you kind of just gotta like really click on it and see how you could move it over to the parts of the video that you want it to be in. So again, you just click on it and just drag the white part to the highlighted part that you want within your video. And then that is how you would add a video effect. So let's play it again. Transition, effect, and then you have the another transition. The next thing I want to show you is how you could actually do, I love to do black and white as a part of my video. For some reason, I really do like those portions of my video. So we are going to click on another clip of the video, which is, and as you see, it'll tell you how many seconds it is for your video. So this particular video is 4.2 seconds. What I like to do is adjust the video. Now, when you adjust your video here, you could actually adjust the brightness, the contrast, the saturation, exposure, whatever works for you. For me, in order to make this clip black and white, I always adjust the saturation first, and I would bring the saturation all the way down. Then I normally increase the brightness to make it look appealing to the viewer. I also like to make sure I sharpen my, I hope that this is not too advanced. Because I'm thinking like, whoa, is this a little advanced? All right, so I also like to make sure that I sharpen my video as well when it makes that transition. Now, there's no need for me to change the temperature. I mean, I could, but I mean, essentially it's black and white, so the color is already set. The next thing that you could do is change the contrast just a little bit and just play around with some of these settings so that it could be to your liking. Then right on the bottom, you would hit the check button, and this clip right here will be in black and white. So let's bring it from this side and let's play it to where the black and white shows. So I really love the black and white effect, and as you can see, it returns back to color. The next thing I want to show you all with this video clip, and we are zooming out a little bit so that we could see what is going on. So the next thing you could do is add audio. Add audio by clicking the bottom here. Then you could go to where there are sounds. So you could click on the sounds, and then there are going to be different sounds that actually show up. For me, I like to type in, I like to put corporate instrumental. So once I hit corporate instrumental, the next thing that I would do is I normally would go ahead and just select just a random corporate video, corporate instrumental, and we'll just kind of just play it to see if we like it. Let's see. That works. That works. So we are just going to hit add so that we could add this. The next thing is we are just going to bring the audio clip back to the beginning. I'm going to zoom in a little bit because I want you to see how I am going to do this. So when you are adding music, what I normally do is drag the bottom where I actually want the music to start. And then we are just going to bring the clip back again. And then the next thing we are going to do is I want you to go to the end of the clip because you don't want your music to play at the end and then the music is still playing but your video has ended. So the thing that you do is wherever your video has ended, you go ahead and select the clip. You move where the end of your video is and then you hit split. Split and then you delete the rest of the music. Now, the next thing that you would do to make sure, and this is a bonus that I like to do with all of my videos, is I actually want you to fade the music in. I want you to fade it out, and I also want you to adjust the volume. If you really want your viewers to have a very good experience as they are listening to your shorts. So here, you can just hit the fade. I normally fade my videos in about 5 seconds, maybe 5 or 6 seconds, so that they can actually hear what I am talking about. And then I also fade the video out as well about the same way. You hit the check. Also, the next thing that you should do in your videos is turn the volume down because you never want your audio and your music to be the same volume. So always make sure that you turn your volume down for your music so that your viewers could hear clearly what you are talking about. The way that you do this, of course, is select the video clip, the video music, then you would hit volume and then just adjust your volume so that the volume is lower. I like to keep mine between 10% and 8% because I really want to give the viewer an experience and not the music. That's not what you're selling or talking about. You are talking about what is in your video. And if 8 or 10 is too low, sometimes you could even bring it down to about a 4 so that you could hear it. All right, make sure that you hit the check button on the bottom. So the next thing that we could go into really, really fast is the last thing I'll show you really quick is how to add stickers to your videos. Now, adding stickers to your videos will really, really help to keep your viewers engaged. And I'm just gonna slide this thing over on this side just to be a little different, right? So make sure that you are adding stickers to your videos because, of course, everyone's attention span is very, very short. So adding stickers to your videos will allow you not to just say the words, but have stickers as visual components for your videos. And it also makes your videos way more engaging because no one really likes to look at the talking face the whole time. So to add stickers, you could just click down below where it says stickers and click on stickers. So you could either add the emojis that are normally like on the iPhone. Then you could do what is hot. There are several different stickers that you could select. So I would say just select the sticker that works for you. For me, I am going to select let's see what we could do really fast. All right, it doesn't look like the one that I want is going to come up. All right, so really quick, I was looking for the one that says subscribe, but I don't I don't see that one. So we are literally randomly going to select all right, so say if you want your viewers to follow, and I do want you all to follow. Now, the thing about this is you see where you could adjust this follow however you want it. So you could rotate it if you want to. You could make it bigger, you can make it smaller, however you want it to be in the frame. Now, I would suggest too is to make sure that your buttons are not in the corners, because viewers won't be able to see that. Make sure that it's somewhere at least in the middle of your video. Then you hit this check button here. You could also change the duration of the follow button, so you can make it either shorter or you can make it extended all throughout the video. That is totally up to you. So I would say that, and you could just add stickers however you want. So that's the first sticker. We can move the video, let's zoom it out and then move it over just a little bit and just add another sticker. I would suggest for you to play around with the different stickers that are in your videos, and that way it would really make your videos a lot more engaging. And then make sure that you hang around and subscribe for part 2. Then that way you could see a little bit more of the advanced tutorials that I have done. So here is a very good tutorial on how to edit your videos using Capcut. And let's just look at the finished results really fast while I finish up with this. I am going to adjust the music so that the music isn't you know, like outweighing what I am saying. I want to make sure that I show y'all how to export your video. So the thing that you would do in order to export your video is you would go up to the top. I normally, where it says 1080p, I normally export my video in about 2K to 4 frames per second, just in case you may need to make like zoom in or zoom out or something like that. Or a lot of times the video quality actually changes as you like put your video on different social media platforms. So to avoid that from happening, I normally do 4K 30 frames per second. Hit this arrow button right up top. And I don't know why it's asking me to join CapCut Pro. Like, I mean, I've already been a part of CapCut Pro, but I guess it will probably prompt to ask you that question. And then it is going to export your video. Then that way, once you export your video, the good thing about CapCut is that you could export it, go ahead and add it to TikTok, to YouTube Shorts, or Pinterest, or whatever app that you choose, and not have to worry about that ugly, or not to say ugly, but not having to worry about like the logo you know, like in your videos. But basically it'll tell you ready to share. You could share your video on whatever platform that you are wanting to share it on, and then just hit done. Once you hit done, it will go ahead and exit out of the screen, and it will show you all of the videos that you have created within the app. So that is finally the end of my CapCut tutorial. If you have liked anything that has been going on this screen, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you, and I love you. Thank you so much for hanging out. Y'all like these earrings of mine? Okay, you know, I just thought that they would be like really good, you know. Shout out, I can only wear clip-on earrings. I know this is not a part of the video, but you know, I gotta just let y'all see the earrings. Yes, these are from K-Toes. I chose these earrings because I cannot wear real earrings. So this is just a fun fact about me. Every time you see me with earrings on, is because I can only wear clip-on earrings. And I like K-Toes, and they have nice mature earrings. So shout out for K-Toes for making sure your girl look good. Thank you again. I hope that you all like my black and white earrings with my red shirt. Hey. That's it. I promise. That's it. Thanks for joining me. Make sure that you subscribe, and you know, you never know what kind of earrings I have on for the next tutorial. I'll talk to you later. Bye.